My name is Michael Bugge. I work for Xlog now for about 7 years. And I started at Xlog as a process consultant, as an SAP process consultant. Right now I'm head of business intelligence at Xlog. And yeah, you have to know that Xlog is normally an SAP ERP consultancy company. And we always ask ourselves, okay, what BI tool can we use? And all our customers say they want to have prove your benefits by numbers. This was always what all customers said to us, and the outcome of a lot of optimization projects. The first looks we had was as SAP BW. So as an SAP company, you will try SAP BW, but it were for us like we want to push an elephant forward. So we had to put a lot of effort into it. We would have spent a lot of time, and we see that this is not what our customer wants. So our customers are a lot of in the producing industry. Our customers are in the mid-market, and for them you have to have very fast projects. They want to see the outcome very fast. We searched for a very flexible solution. So we discussed it also yesterday, that which animal will Jedox be, and we say maybe it's a fox, a very fast fox who goes around and who can change his direction very fast. And this is why we choose Jedox. And the other part was the very strong SAP connector from Jedox. So there's a lot of business logic which is predefined, which we can reuse in our projects, where we can save a lot of time, and this is why we choose Jedox. One of our, let's say, one of our big customers is, for example, Ibero, which is an energy supplier in Switzerland. They started to use Jedox, like most of our customers, in finance and controlling. So they did, for example, their cost center planning in Jedox. They did all the budgeting in Jedox, and they had a management reporting in Jedox. So for them, this is what we started in the project. We enlarged everything, and for example, we do now the project planning in Jedox. They use SAP PS, which is the project system in SAP, but the time planning is done now in Jedox. And another customer of us is Nölle Nordhorn. They are a supplier for hydraulic cylinders and stuff like that, and they also produce hydraulic tubes. And there we got a very special project. So they have their own Jedox system, and they got on top now a Jedox system in the cloud. And in the Jedox system in the cloud, they built a portal for their customer. So they sell the customer a user in the cloud, and then their customers can log in and check the status. When do I have to change this tube? When do I have to check it? And all this is done now in the Jedox cloud. I built really an own department within Xlog. Now we got this own department, Jedox, which is an own profit center, and it's really one department of 3 others. We always have great support by Jedox to build everything up. So we got great support within our projects, which was the most important thing at the beginning. So when I started, everything was new. I haven't worked in BI before, so I did process consulting, which has nothing to do with this multiple dimensions and all this stuff. So I have to learn really the thinking in cubes and dimensions. And the first projects was not so easy, but we always get the support, and we also got a lot of support from marketing too. We did our own. We have an event in Freiburg. There we got great support. Then we had a lot of webinars right now. We write a lot of success stories together, and I think this also helps us very fast to push Jedox up at Xlog. We really see that the market is changing now. So before it was a little bit hard, especially at German customers, to tell them, hey, bring your data in the cloud. But right now I think they started to rethink all this stuff. We have a lot of advantages if we go to the cloud. So we don't have to talk with the IT. It's just up and running. And the finance part, for example, they can just start. And another big advantage is definitely the planning. This integrated planning to plan the sales and then plan the purchasing and then get it all together, to get a cash flow, to get the balance sheet. This is what all of our customers now wants to get there. We want to do more and more projects, and I think we also do a lot more projects now together with Jedox. So I think it's a perfect mix whenever it comes to SAP customers. I'd love to do sales pitches and pre-sales pitches together with Jedox, because I think it's a perfect mix to get new customers and to get also the project done very, very nice.